Have you ever pondered how space exploration has evolved throughout the years? Let's take a step back in time to the dawn of space exploration. Picture the year 1957, when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, into orbit. This marked the beginning of an era that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Just over a decade later, the United States Apollo program reached a significant milestone with Neil Armstrong's historic moon landing in 1969. This event was not just a triumph for America, but a victory for all of mankind. It's crucial to understand that the backdrop of these groundbreaking explorations was the Cold War, a time of tense rivalry between two superpowers. This competition fueled the space race, with each nation striving to outdo the other in a battle for international prestige and technological superiority. That was a time when space exploration was largely a competition of international prestige and technological superiority. Fast forward to the present. How has the landscape of space exploration changed? What was once a playground for government-led programs, space exploration has now welcomed a new breed of explorers. Private corporations like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have entered the scene, each with unique visions and game-changing technologies. This shift has not only accelerated progress, but also democratized space exploration. Today, we're seeing more countries and private entities stepping into the cosmos, each contributing their piece to the cosmic puzzle. The focus has shifted from merely reaching the stars to establishing an enduring presence, with Mars being a prime target. Mars rovers are not just science fiction anymore. They're our eyes and hands on a distant world. And let's not forget the promise of space tourism. Imagine, in the not-so-distant future, boarding a spacecraft for your holiday trip. Today, the goal of space exploration extends beyond national prestige to encompass scientific discovery, commercial gain, and even the survival of the human species. So, what are the key differences between space exploration then and now? In the early days, space exploration was primarily a two-horse race, a head-to-head clash of superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. It was an era of fierce competition, with each nation vying for the prestige of being the first to achieve various milestones in space. The objective was simple: demonstrate technological supremacy and flex national prowess. Fast forward to the present day, and the landscape of space exploration has drastically changed. It's no longer just a race between two superpowers. Instead, it has transitioned into a global effort. Nations across the world are reaching for the stars, contributing to a collective pool of knowledge and achievement. Moreover, the baton of space exploration is increasingly being passed from governments to the private sector. Industry giants like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, pioneering initiatives that once seemed the stuff of science fiction. They're not only redefining the boundaries of what's possible, but also making space more accessible than ever before. There's also been a shift in focus. The Moon, once the ultimate destination, has been somewhat eclipsed by Mars. The red planet is now the hot ticket, the tantalizing new frontier that everyone wants to explore. And it's not just about planting a flag anymore. The goal is establishing a sustainable human presence, transforming us into a multiplanetary species. And let's not forget the potential for space tourism. The idea of ordinary people experiencing the awe-inspiring vastness of space is no longer just a dream. It's becoming a reality, albeit a pricey one. Lastly, the motivation for space exploration has significantly evolved. It's no longer solely about national prestige. Instead, it's a blend of scientific curiosity, commercial interest, and the instinct for survival. The exploration of space is seen not just as an achievement, but as a necessity for the long-term survival of humanity. Indeed, space exploration has come a long way since its inception, and it continues to evolve in exciting and unpredictable ways. Who knows what the future holds?